Line up the oval shape's middle points to the long strip's top and the lower point. So on both sides will be even. Pin the oval shape to the strips. Start from the top middle point to the lower point, and you will see at the lower point around about 3 inches there are actual oval fabrics, so that's where you make some pleats, and all these actual pleats will help to put this extra folds will help to put the long hair inside. Do the same thing with other fabric. Now you have a 2 single layer hats. Put them right sides together, then sew along the edges. Make sure you leave about 3 inches on the back open. Do not stitch them, so you can take inside out. Then I will sew along the edges one more time to give it a finished look. I should pull the cap a little bit back so to avoid the gap between the cap and my forehead. And also you can sew 2 buttons behind the ear and to hold the mask to eliminate the earache after a long time to wearing the mask. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.